Guys, bigboxbreaks.eCareer.com. Break number 149 is filled, overfilled. So if you bought a spot on my site, you're going to win the next spot in my next break. Also, Steve K, you did overfill it, so I'll maybe put up another one of these and put you in that one. And also, I just copied and pasted the last break listing here, so these serial numbers don't match up with the boxes I have set. So yeah, this is just copied and pasted from my last break. I didn't even think to change them. Stuff's hot. So yeah, I think they both end in 1. So I think it's 9-1, 6-1, I'm not too sure. Something like that. So anyways, let's get to it. Let's start with the teams 3 times. And 3. Yeah, if you look at my my last break there, they correspond with that last break. So here's the team listing here, guys. Just in a hurry to do it. Put it up, get it sold. So 3 times on the people as well here. And 3. Copy, paste, and all my description. In the description I'll put this list, and I will go through it as well. So Devils go to Alex Rez. Sabres is Brian. Oilers is Ares. Steve K. Predators Chaz is Islanders. Canadiens Matt Up. Colorado is Sydney 77. Penguins is Steve K. Stars is Spuravost. Bruins is Chaz. Sharks is Michael Go. Flyers is 76ers. Kings is Ayers. Wings is King Fredster. Hawks is Belairdominic. Toronto is Sydney 77. Vikings, you got the Ducks. Spurvosto, Rangers, Brian Kerr. Panthers, Wild, go to Guide for You. Jets and Canes go to Brian. Blues is Aitken Jamie. And you did pay, sorry guy. Alex Rez, you got the Canucks. Flames is Belairdominic. Washington is Alex. Senators is Bravost. NHL Canada, you got the Yotes, Doug Professor, Lightning, and Chaz the Jackets. So that's the team list, guys. And always, I'll go to the spot and bust the boxes. Okay, I'll show you the serial numbers here that I forgot to put down on the listing. There's that one. And there's the other one. 4161. Okay. Do box 1. There's no tape there. Empty. And just the hits are shipped, as always. Young Guns, Pavel Zacha. Canvas Young Gun. Devils. hit here or what? Shining Star. There we go. Zach Parise, Minnesota. Golden Nightmares. Mark Stone. Shining Stars, Getzlaf. Victor Hedman, Tampa Bay. Young Guns, Anthony Manta, Detroit. Nice. Toronto, William Nylander. Young Guns for the Leafs. Seth Jones canvas. CBJ. Ducks, Getzlaf, blue, Shining Stars. Going for the rainbow on him again. Nice. Nice. Jack Eichel jersey for Buffalo. Nice jersey card. Keep thinking he's a rookie, but he's not. Young Gun for the Leafs. Zach Hyman. For the Ducks, John Gibson. Portrait. Super Colosso for the Ducks. Stoner. Nightmares. Crosby. Pittsburgh. Robbie Fabry. Blues. Young Guns, Pavel Buchnevich, Rangers, Canvas for the Cats, Nick Bustad. Young Guns for the Panthers. Dennis Malgin. Panthers. Canvas, Sam Bennett for the Flames. Cool card. Shining Stars, Braden Holtby, Capitals. Colossal, Colin Clifford. Young Guns, Steven Sanata. New Jersey Young Gun. 2 packs left in box 1. Devils, Pavel Zacha. Last pack, box 1. Max Domi, Nightmares, Arizona. Let's clean these up. Young Guns to the side here. Box 2. Wrong way. Cut myself. And this one's got empty. Nice Young Guns. Charlie Lindgren, Montreal. Shining Stars for the Capitals. Evgeny Kuznetsov. Blue. Wish they'd number them. Our jersey for the Ducks. Jacob Silverberg. Anaheim. Young Guns for the Bruins. Noel Akari. The Boston Bruins. Portraits. This is for the Jets. Josh Morsetti. Ovechkin, Shining Stars, Capitals. Canvas, nice Carey Price, Montreal. Young Guns, Sonny Milland, Columbus. Nightmares for the Ducks, Corey Perry. Joe Thornton, Shining Stars, San Jose. Bobby Lou, Portraits. Young Guns, Justin Bailey for the Sabres. Young Guns for the Islanders, Anthony Boilevier. Colossal, Tom Wilson, Washington. Young Guns for the Ducks, Nick Sorensen. Matt Zuccarello for the Rangers. Portrait. Canvas of Evgeny Kuznetsov, Washington. Washington's doing pretty good for hits. Nightmares, Jeff Skinner, Carolina. Nice. Riley Smith. Clear card. Not numbered, of course. That's cool. Got one last break, too. And Radek Guda. Flyers. Goalie Nightmares, Alex Galchenyuk. Matt Murray, nice. Portraits. Cool mask. Pittsburgh. Young Guns, Nicholas Zativ. I think we already had him. Toronto. 2 packs. Portrait for the Ducks. Getzlaf. Or not portrait. Canvas. Last pack. Peter Mrazek, Shining Stars, Wings. Okay, so that concludes this break. We'll go back to the spot and do the free spot here. Goalie Nightmares. Super Colossals. Where am I? Here we are. Portraits. Couple blues. Lots of Shining Stars. Canvases. Sweet Eichel jersey. Our Young Guns. The canvases are in this pile too. And definitely acetate, I think they're called. Pretty cool. So, like if it says in the description, guys, bought on my site, you're into a free spot in my next break. I'm pretty sure I know the cup comes out now. I don't have it. Pretty high end to be giving a free spot away in that. So I'll put up another. I heard Black Diamond's supposed to be in December as well. I'll figure something out, but it can't be the cup because that is bloody expensive. And yeah, I need to pay for that box. So 3 times on the free spot. 1, 2, 3. Bel Air. So thanks a lot, guys, and check out bigboxbreaks.ecrater.com. I do have black up here, black diamond, and the cup. So thanks a lot, and I'll get these cards out today.